Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika. For those of y'all who are new here, and we are back with another what's in my bag video. So the bag that I'm carrying is my Coach Tabby in the size 30, and this is in the color honey brown. This was actually a part of some of the birthday gifts that I received, and so I have been debating on this size and the regular size, but I'm so happy that I went with the size 30. It's perfect for me and all of my essentials and the things that I carry. So I'm really happy that I went with this size. Attached to the bag, I have the chain that actually comes with the bag. And then I have this like kind of like charm that I actually thrifted this. So it has like a little handbag, 2 dice pieces, and then like a horseshoe on there. And so attached to the other side, I got the little Shirling bunny bag charm. Oh, this thing is so cute. I really want another one. Like, this is just, I'm so happy that I was able to get this. This was a part of my birthday gift as well. And y'all, I just, oh my God, it's so stinking adorable. And then I also ended up getting a customized hang tag as well. And then on the hang tag, it just says Houston. If you don't know, I'm born and raised and live in Houston, Texas. So I just thought this was so fitting. Plus, I love this color contrast, like with this honey brown. I really love this. I believe my sales associate said that this color was Aurora, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, and then I ended up also getting the hang tag on the bag customized. So it just has my zodiac sign. I'm a Libra. It has my husband's zodiac sign. He is a Capricorn. And then it just has our last name initial on there. You guys have probably already seen an overview of this bag going around on social media, but here is the side of the bag. The back of the bag features a zip compartment. It has a shoulder strap. It also, the chain strap that you can use as a shoulder strap, and it has a crossbody strap, which I really don't see me using, but I do have the crossbody strap stored away. And then of course the other side of the bag, and then here is the bottom of the bag. And so here is an overview of everything that I have inside of my bag. Like I said, it fits all of my daily essentials that I would need. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is I have my Coach corner zip. And then in here, I just have some handy dandy nail glue in case I break a nail. Always carry that. I have a Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Breadwinner. And then I have an e.l.f. Glow Revival lip balm, and this is Vanilla Toffee. I have another Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Wicked Wine. And then I also have 2 lip pencils from LA Colors. If y'all been watching my What's in My Bag videos, like, LA Colors lip pencils are my favorite, and they are super inexpensive. I love these lip pencils. So I have Smooth Plum and I have Eggplant. The next thing that I have in my bag is I have some receipts. I have a receipt from Costco because we recently just went to Costco. And then I have another receipt. This is from the thrift store. The thrift store has been kind of dry lately, but I did find something really good the other day. And then the next thing that I have inside of my bag is I have my Crème Shop Hello Kitty double-sided mirror. And then I have my corded headphones that really should be in a little pouch. And then I have a full-size comb in my bag. I have my work badge, and I'm using this cow print badge holder. Super cute. And then I have my key holder. This is like a vintage eelskin key holder that I actually thrifted, and this is just what it looks like in the inside. And then the next thing I have is, what is this? Oh, this is our car insurance. We just renewed our car insurance, and I printed out the new insurance card, which I actually need to put this in my car. I have my Coach little round coin pouch that I have some change in here. Actually, I don't have that much change, but I have some change in there. And then I have some hand cream that I got from Teso. And it's just, it doesn't really have like a scent. I guess the scent is taupe because it says taupe on there, but this actually smells really good. Then the next thing I have is I have my Coach card holder. And so this is just the card holder that I'm using. And then in here I just have gift card, store reward cards, my Costco membership card, and things like that. And then inside of my bag I have a dollar, and y'all, I actually found this dollar on the ground, and so I ended up like picking it up because no matter how big or how small, when the universe sends money your way, we accept it. And then the next thing that I have inside of my bag is I have this like torch lighter. I do not smoke or anything like that, but I just have this lighter just in case I need it. Like, I don't know, in case I want to burn some incense, or I want to light a candle, or maybe I am trying to like we're doing some jewelry making and I need to like burn the ends of the string or something, or loose threads. I don't know. I just have it just in case. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it flaming, but yeah, that's how it looks. And then the next thing I have is I have this Coach Slim pouch. This is a more modern version of the Slim pouch. They do have vintage versions of these, but I have the modern one. I think this color might be British tan, I think. But yeah. And so in here, I just have my purse hook. I have some soap sheets. I have some wipes from Minoso. And then I have a compressed hand towel just in case. And then the last thing that I have inside of my bag is I have my wallet. And this is a vintage, almost vintage Louis Vuitton Epi leather zippy wallet. I want to say I think the color is called ivory. So this is just what it looks like. Super cute. And then it has like silver hardware on it as well. And then here is just a look at the inside. I actually have a couple of dollars in here. Well guys, that's everything that I'm carrying in my handbag. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Coach chain tabbies. And if you are enjoying this type of content, definitely consider subscribing. Well guys, until the next one, bye.